Hello friends, Abhishek, welcome you all on my YouTube channel, the Options Desk. So this is a trading video in which I will tell you how I took the trades, why I took it, and what was the target, what was the stop loss, what is a perfect stop loss, and I will also make a separate video on how you should keep a stop loss so that you can get saved by not risking too much money in your stock market. So firstly, as you all know, this is my channel like daily equity levels and analysis, okay, in which I daily post 2 or 3 levels free of cost. There is no charge for it. You can definitely go and trade with 100 quantities or 200 quantities, whatever suits your capital, and you can definitely go for the SL and just the target. So okay, one thing I would like to tell you, either the stop loss will get hit before the 3:30 p.m. or the target will get hit before the 3:30 p.m. So you can just place a stop loss and just wait for the target, and you can book it when the target comes. So now let's see. So as you can see, here Adani Port, the Adani Ports buy above 319. This is the first trade that I have given, that at 10:03 a.m. So Adani Ports buy above 319.20, SL 316, target 319.80 and 319.0, 320.50 and 322. So ये देखते हैं कैसे Adani Ports ने परफॉर्म किया. So आप ये देख सकते हैं, ये 5 मिनट का चार्ट है. This is the 5 minute chart for Adani Ports, and you can see this is the level. So when I give the level at 10:03, that is around here. So how I give the level? First, Adani Port went at the level of 9:25 a.m. It went till the high, but it couldn't break this high. So now this is my point of breakout. Even if when the Adani Ports goes above this, I will just buy a breakout or just buy into the Adani Port. So I bought the Adani Port at this particular level, and when it break out, what was my stop loss? My stop loss was 316. So I just placed a small stop loss that is around somewhere 316, that is around 1%. So how I keep? I just always keep the 1% of the stock. So let me tell you how I keep. Like at Adani Ports is at 319. So 319 into 0.01. So that is 3 rupees. Okay, 3 rupees and 19 paisa. So 319 minus 3 rupees 3.10. So that is 315.9. So I just kept my stop loss at the whole number of 316, and see how it went. A very good movement came in Adani Ports from the level of this was my buy in, and it went till the level of this, and all my targets were hit in Adani Ports. So that was a simple Adani Port analysis. So now let's see what happened in other levels. So now the Berger Paints. So Berger Paint was sell below 445, SL 449, and target 444, 443, 441. So now let's see what happened in the Berger Paints. Just a moment. So Berger Paints, this is it. So this is the 5 minute chart for the Berger Paints. Now let's see. So when the level was given as 10:04. Okay, the level was somewhere given at 10:04 at this particular point. Yeah, at this particular point when I sell the Berger Paints at this level. So it's the Berger Paint did went below it. So what when is stop loss? Firstly, whenever my level gets executed, I do not place a target, I just place a stop loss first. So what to do? So I only give the levels like sell below, buy above, because I give the time to execute. Like how you can place, I will also tell you how you can place a particular thing in your in the next video I will tell you how you can place the particular level in your broker's account, or how you should place the particular using the SLM order. So the Berger Paint was sell below 445 and SL was 449. So first let's mark the SL 449, that is somewhere at around here. Okay, so that was my SL. Why the SL was here? So firstly, the 1% of the stock, simple. And when this support was broken, the Berger Paint went till the low of, let me show you, let me just move the chart upwards. So the low of the Berger Paints, as you can see, is 411 point at this particular point. Let me see. As you can see, the low here is written as the low is written here. So it is 441.20. So my targets, around 2 targets in the Berger Paints got hit, and then after it moved on the upside. So my final target was 441. So I did book a decent of 2 rupees or 3 rupees profit in the Berger Paints. As you can see, a decent move was there in Berger Paints, and I did book the decent profit in Berger Paints, and after that it moved on the upside, but my target was already booked. So that was the Berger Paint level. Now let's see what happened in the IGL. So as you can see, IGL gave a very good move today, and one of my close friend also traded in IGL, and he was very happy with the move. Okay, he also suggested me like you should sell the IGL. So as you can see, IGL what I sold at below the level of 462. Okay, so what happened at 462? At the level I gave at around 10.8, at around this particular point when the IGL was consolidating in this zone. So why I gave? Because this was a point of reversal. Okay, so this was means that can be a point of reversal. If this is broken, IGL can head for more downside. So I just gave this level. And what is the stop loss? Please tell me. That is the 4%, that is the 1% of the stock price, that is 4.6 rupees. So let's assume the stop loss to be around 465. Okay, that is my stop loss, that is around 4 rupees. So once the IGL broke this level, it kept on going down, going down, going down, and all my targets were hit in IGL without even going to stop loss even once. I am not dumb that I am saying that keep the stop loss and trade, keep the stop loss and trade. Just forget, even if you are trading on 10 of my levels, I can guarantee you that 7 will definitely hit the target, 3 can hit the stop loss. I can agree that the stop loss will be of 4 rupees, but see the target, that is from 461, 454, that is around 7 points target. So it went till all my targets were hit. First, let me see what the target was. 458 was my target, that is around 4 to 5 points. You can definitely go for the heavier targets. I will try to mention as the volatility increases. So all my targets were hit in IGL. So now let's see the other trades in Hindalco. So firstly, if the trade is going wrong, it will not let you even enter it. Okay. So now let's see Hindalco. So firstly, what is the Hindalco? That was given at 1016, now buy above 134.85. So as you can see, the high of this candlestick at 10 a.m. the high is 134.70. You can notice the high is given at this particular point. Open, high, low and close are given at this particular point. So 134.70 was the high, and what is my buy level? Let me again show you. My buy level is 134.85. That is buy above 134.85. So that is somewhere here. So I will only buy when Hindalco crosses above this level. It never went above this level. It kept on consolidating and it went below this level. So my buy order was not executed, and I was safely away from this sideways trap in Hindalco. My profit, if anyone would have taken this position from here also, he would have been getting a decent profit. No, he would not have been getting a decent profit or a loss, and the market would have been in sideways, and he would have to exit in a small profit or small loss. So that was it. So that kept you away from the trap. That was the level in the Hindalco, which the levels I gave in the today in the free channel. So you can definitely join my free channel. That is the link. As you can see in the you can search on Telegram, that is the daily chart analysis, and you can join my free channel. Now I would also like to discuss some of the most prominent calls, how I gave them. These were the calls given on my premium channel. As you can see, the Bajaj Financer buy above 4145, 4100, and the target is 100 points. As you can see, this is the 4145 and the target is 100 points. So okay, that is around 105 points. So now let's see that Bajaj Financer really did it or not. Firstly, let's see BAJJ. Okay, so now as it is the second stock. So now let's see how did the Bajaj Financer perform. So let me delete first all the data for you. So this is a 5-minute chart. So Bajaj Financer, where was my buy in? Can anyone tell me? That is at 4145 and that was given at 11:48 a.m. Okay, so 11:48 a.m. it was trading somewhere at around this. I can imagine at this particular point it was somewhere trading around 4122 or 4123. We have a 2-3 minutes. I always give a 2-3 minutes buffer time to execute the trade so that you can place an order. And why did I give the upper trade? So now let's see 4145. So that is so what is the high of this? The high is 4145, high is again 4145. So that is my breakout level. I will only buy above this. And what is my stop loss? 1%, that is 40 points. My stop loss what? 4100. This was my stop loss, that is the 1%. So and you can see Bajaj Finserv gave me 100 points of profit. It went from this level and gave me a decent 100 points of profit. If you can see, just let me mark my entry, and this was the Bajaj Finserv move. That is around more than 100 or 120 points in the Bajaj Finserv I got. So that was a trade purely based on support and resistance. No indicator I'm using, just only in front of you. I didn't also use any indicator in the live market. So now let's see another trade, that is Bajaj Finance. Okay, Bajaj Finance is this. So let me again remove it for you. So now what was the trade? Buy above 1885, SL is 1863 and the target is 1920. Okay, so buy above 1885, that was also given after this, so that is 1140. So at this particular point, so firstly what 1885, so this was my particular high that was around given. I should have also given a buy at around 1888, so that would have been a decent buy, because as you can see this was the truly support. The level should have been truly I did mistake, I give a bit early. A level would have been truly given at only buy above 1888. So that would be a perfect level, and then the perfect entry was there, and the target was around 50 points. As you can see, it went from 1890 till 1940. That was my target, but I did went for this support level, that was around 1885. So I went into the buy because it was earlier consolidating at this zone. So, but a safe trader should have only traded with support and resistances, and when this resistance was broken, the Bajaj Finserv hit a very high level, that is of 50 points, and the Bajaj Finserv were done clearly. So as you can see, firstly the volume was very good, so I knew if the breakout was there with good volume, and it was there with good volume, the Bajaj Finserv hit at a very high level. So that was an analysis for the levels that I provided on my free channel and as well as Telegram channel, that was the premium channel, and the no indicator was used, and I request you to watch this video again and again. You can plot in the live market. So now let's do a bit of back testing. So as you can see, at this particular, the Bajaj Finserv at this level, Bajaj Finance, once this support is broken, let's just delete it for you. Yeah, this support is broken, sell Bajaj Finance at this particular point, simply blindly place the 1% stop loss, simple, and then see the down move. So that was the analysis for the levels for today. One of the members wanted me like how do I give the levels, how the accurate they are, and what indicators do I use. So no indicators I do use. There's a volume that sometimes I use and sometimes I don't use, just to depict the trend and how strong the trend is. So that was the analysis for today. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and you can also join my Telegram channel by clicking the link here, and also the daily analysis channel, daily equity analysis channel that I will share on my OptionsDesk channel. Thank you for your support. Happy trading. Thank you.